So this is the cool part. This is where the data comes into play. Hey guys, this is Joe Tech from JoeteckTips. We're on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And today I have a company named Lepower. And this is a motion light that is battery operated by 4D batteries. This is actually quite impressive. This is the light right here. This thing can do 1,500 lumens. That's the light output at 5,000 Kelvin. So that's the light color. So you have different ranges of light color. And this is more of a white, like fluorescent color than like a warm white, like 2,700 or 3,000 Kelvin. I'm actually in awe with it. So this is the motion of movement of the light. And you can spin the heads like so, both sides, and you can also tilt it up, down. So this has two modes. You get auto and you have eco. Eco is a 20-second light output. It'll stay on for 20 seconds, and then auto is 60 seconds, and then it shuts off. You have a range of 10 feet, 20 feet, 50 feet, and then max. So I'm assuming probably about 90 feet. You're probably thinking, why would you need a battery-operated motion light? But for this purpose, if you needed it in the house, for stairs going down in the basement, or stairs going downstairs outside the house, an easy location, because the mounting of this is that simple. So you have two holes, and then this slides right into place, and that's it, and it sits right there, and it's so easy to take off. That's it. So, and then you can take the batteries out. It's a very simple system. Now what's really cool is that I wanted to see how long the batteries would last. So this is the cool part. This is where the data comes into play. So I grabbed a meter, a multimeter, and I put in series the meter to measure the current. This only draws 267 milliamps. That's it. At 6 volts, it's 1.6 watts of energy being drawn, of which is a 10-watt LED output. Interesting, right? So you get 10 watts of light for 1.6 watts of energy being used, which equals to 267 milliamps. So if this thing went on 2 times a day, or let's just go crazy, if you go 20 times a day, it'll last about a half a year, which is crazy. Or it depends. I mean, it's just crazy. That's a long time. Now, D batteries, just so you understand, the typical D alkaline battery does 10 amp hours. Okay? Since these are in series, so it's 6 volts, 1.5, so it's 10 amp hour, or 10,000 milliamp hours the batteries can handle, that could produce. So since it's in series, you don't add them, so it's 10. And then you do the calculation, and you come up with the runtime, which is crazy, which is about 3,750 minutes of runtime. Just to give you an example, if you set it for 60 seconds and it goes off 1 time a day, it'll last for over a year. So that's crazy. Think about that for a second, okay? So this is the light. It is bright as hell. It's difficult to see because of the camera, but remember, we're in pitch black, which you just saw. So if I mounted this like so and pointed it down, it lights up the area. It's impressive. Let's do this. I'll put it in front of me. So there's the light. It's great. It's unbelievable. You can see how bright it is. So just imagine it outside or an area where there's no light whatsoever. It's battery operated. This is a great concept. So it'll shut off if there's no motion, but if there's motion, it'll continuously stay on. So that's another thing you got to keep in mind. So if it goes past 60 seconds, typical, it'll automatically shut off. But this is great. This is a really great light. I'm impressed with the amount of light output it is. I mean, come on, that's nice. Battery operated, not solar charged, nothing you have to charge. So guys, if you like this video, give me a thumbs up, and if you're not a subscriber, please subscribe. Take care, and we'll see you next time.